scolding me and nagging at me, but every time the camera turns on, he becomes all quiet. So that should be my trick next time. I'm so clever. I look so funny, but they're numbing me now, and it's really cool because you don't have to numb the entire face, you just numb specific spot. Okay, 주세요. 저에게는 over here in the cards if you're interested to find out how to make this. I just got my full body health checkup report back. 2 weeks ago, I went for my first ever full body health checkup after, of course, a lot of nagging by Matt, but I finally decided to do it, and I thought I would be okay, you know, since like I am at my healthiest, I've been eating well, I've been exercising well. I feel strong and healthy, you know, but yeah, I actually got my results back and it was very, very shocking. Yeah, and very, I would say, disappointing, because I didn't expect myself to have such high cholesterol levels. Like, of course, I'm not gonna divulge how high is high, but I did a search on Google and it is very high. Yeah, so I really don't know what's happening, and I don't know what are the chances of it being not accurate. I feel like it is super accurate, and I probably shouldn't be just living in denial. I have been eating well. Of course, you know, I love my food, so I do let myself loose, but compared to how I was eating 1 year ago or all my life, I think this is the most that I have been clean. And the most I have been exercising regularly. So I really don't know what went wrong. I am trying to make an appointment with the doctor and just to go through everything. So yeah, just an update of what's bothering me today. I feel really, 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 really unmotivated and down because I feel like I'm really doing my best, but... And the worst thing is, I have like a whole Mother's Day weekend plan just filled with food. Lots and lots of food that high cholesterol people aren't meant to be taking. So I feel like this is really, really bad timing. Like, why do I have to find out now? And how am I gonna enjoy my bookings and like my food in peace? And I've already made the booking, so I you know, put a deposit, so I can't cancel on it. And I promised my mom, I promised my mother-in-law, and Matt as well. And yeah, it's just it's okay, guys. I'm just ranting, so don't mind me. I know I'll be okay in just a few hours, but I'm just letting it sink in. And yeah. Completely wiped clean. It's a beautiful day. We are on the way to the doctor to get a somewhat second opinion on my health report. So yeah, pray for me, guys. Why you cannot talk?
Why?
Why you only do action?
What am I supposed to say?
You only smile and do action. Why? I thought you always very talkative one.
What you want me to say?
Nothing. He's very proactive at scolding me and nagging at me, but every time the camera turns on, he becomes all quiet. So that should be my trick next time. I'm so clever. Okay, so it's extremely crowded and I won't be able to make it in time for dinner, so I'm just gonna give up queuing and go for dinner first. Yeah. Wow, why you I don't think it's supposed to be ours, but I just shouted more. And he gave it to me. Omakase 주세요. 저에게는 정말 소중한 물건입니다. 찾아주신 분께는 살례하겠습니다. 이름 정민석, 전화번호. Do I have to read this? So after a really big meal yesterday, today we're celebrating Mother's Day, and I told myself I'm not gonna think about my health thing this weekend because I already made the reservation, and yeah, I will spend the rest of the week being very disciplined, and I've been looking up at low cholesterol recipes, so hopefully I will be able to, try my hands at it and hopefully it will work. I don't know, but it seems like I need to go back to the doctor and get my blood test done again in 3 months. So within these 3 months, I'm going to try my best to just watch the things that I'm eating and exercise more. So this is for breakfast. Just having some whole grain rolled oats. Of course, some almond butter to just give it a bit more taste because I personally don't really like to put a lot of toppings in my oatmeal. Yep. And I'm gonna have lunch in just a few hours, so this is just to get me through the first few hours while I do my work. Alright folks, today is very exciting because I am getting my Profhilo done. I've actually heard a lot about it, and a lot of my friends and people around me have highly raved about this treatment. So I'm gonna go to Astique to find out more from Dr. Yong exactly what it is, but I know it's great for firming the skin, for plumping the skin, and especially for people who have very sensitive or skin that is not able to contain all of the hydration. People with very weakened skin barrier, these kinds of procedures are gonna be very helpful because they just inject directly into the skin rather than just having the skin surface layer and allow it to absorb, because more often than not, people like me with eczema know that our skin doesn't really function as per normal like other people's skins. Is that even though I can go really heavy with the hydration and the moisturization, but after like 10 minutes, 1 hour, my skin just feels super dry again. And I did ask my doctor before, and he did say that people with eczema skin, chances are your skin barrier is not really functioning as well and not doing its job anymore to kind of like lock in the moisture, because you imagine it's supposed to have a layer that just seals everything in once it's being absorbed. So once this layer is broken or it's unable to heal itself, everything just kind of escapes, and your skin is also more susceptible to the outer environment, which hence makes it more sensitive. So yeah, I think he did highly recommend Profhilo for many months. I just never found the time to do it because it does have a bit of a downtime. So people with sensitive skin, I heard my downtime would be a bit longer than normal people. But the good thing is I did try Rejuran about a year or 2 ago, and I really did like it, just that downtime was like 7 days for me, so I can't afford another 7 days. So that's why Profhilo came out, and apparently the downtime has been shortened to about 2 to 3 days for people with very sensitive skin, and I've heard of people who can just put on makeup in just 1 day. So let's go. I look so funny, but they're numbing me now, and it's really cool because you don't have to numb the entire face, you just numb specific spots. So I just got home from Pilates and I made a few more bookings for spin class, and then I saw the news that the gyms are shutting and they're stopping all indoor exercise activities. So yeah, I guess this time for some reason I know that it is getting serious and things are getting bad, but I don't know, it's still not really settling in yet. I hope everyone stays safe, but I guess we gotta do what I gotta do, and everyone's gotta do their own part by staying at home. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna make my own ice cream today. A healthier version that I saw on TikTok, I think. Can't remember where I saw it from, but basically all you need is frozen bananas, frozen fruits, and frozen yogurt. So the best is to use as natural as possible, like ingredients as natural as possible. So I've got Greek yogurt, supposedly great for you. So this is how it looks like, and all you have to do is put it in the freezer for a few hours for it to have a bit more of an ice cream consistency. But if you like this kind of like a little bit more yogurt-ish consistency, you can just eat it like this. But I'm just gonna pop it in the freezer and I'll check back. Let's check it out. So I put it like wrapped like this so that it can freeze faster. This is a hack if you need to get your things frozen or cold really fast. Wrap a wet paper towel. Ooh, I think it's ready. It's still not very frozen, but still able to hold its shape. Not too bad. Let's try it and see how. Wow, so yummy. Oh, very cool. These days I've been loving this a lot, and another product that I've been trying out that's new, this Purito Centella. Really nice. So since doing the Profhilo, I've been very wary of the products that I've been putting on my face, because these are, you know, like needle wounds, and you don't want anything that isn't suitable to come near it because you don't want to inflame it. It's an open hole. You know, the least you can do is just pick the cleanest and the safest for sensitive skin ingredients, and of course you want to promote skin healing as well. So I'm gonna start off with first this one. This is nice and hydrating, and it's no fragrance, no artificial coloring, and I've been using it on my sensitive skin just fine. Then this. You guys know I love this one. I did an IGTV trying this out for 10 days and the results were amazing. So I'm just hoping. Honestly, this is day 3. I feel like it probably, like, you know, recovered so fast also because I use, you know, this kind of stem cell skin healing kind of product. Then these two, and lastly this new skinning moisturizer. I'll be back. Today we are in the office and the client brought a lot of Dilmara bakery for us. Thank you so much, Freda and Rachel, if you are watching this. I have high cholesterol, so I can't eat the pastries, but they were super kind. They actually ordered salad for me. And another very sweet, lovely follower, who is a candle maker at Lao Lounge. She actually contacted my intern to say that she has something to pass them and me, and it says Mom and Tea. So it smells so good. Oh my goodness, so this is what you hang in your closet. Smells very very lovely, and it has like seashell. Is the what? 地板?
Yeah, the
It really 地板的板 eh?
Yeah.
Is it?
It's the moon lah.
Okay, I know it's definitely not this. Then what is this? Just done with a whole bunch of interviews for the interns, and I'm bringing back some Tyrwhitt bakery from Matt because he loves Queen Aman, and that's also my favorite, but because of this whole cholesterol thing I have to refrain from pastries for a while. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Why did it roll all the way there? Okay. Let's count the total number of bags that I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4, still not too bad. Coming home earlier because Andrea is coming over to my place. We're just gonna go to the gym for the last time before gyms close. So yeah, wish me luck. I have a feeling she's gonna push me like mad today. So this is the oatmeal cookies that I love. And I like to just toast it up before having one so that it's nice and crispy and the chocolate is melty. I left the recipe for this cookie in the clean eating video, so I'm gonna leave it over here in the cards if you're interested to find out how to make this. Super simple, quite low in calories as well, and it keeps you really full. Amazing for those of you who are always like snacking or feeling peckish like me.